Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After inserting all your citations into a Word document, you then usually need to create a Works Cited or Bibliography page which lists all your sources in one area. Word lets you use pre-designed bibliography formats or simply insert a citation without a title. To create a bibliography in Word from the sources you created, first click to place the insertion mark cursor into the document location at which to insert the bibliography. Generally, bibliographies appear at the end of a document. Then click the References tab in the ribbon and click the Bibliography drop-down button in the Citations and Bibliography button group. A list of built-in bibliography styles then appears in a drop-down menu. You can click a style to insert that style of bibliography sources into your document. Alternatively, to insert your citation list without any specific formatting in Word, choose the Insert Bibliography command from the Bibliography button's drop-down menu. Your citation list then appears in the format for the style you originally selected for your citations. To delete a bibliography field in Word, if you selected one of the bibliography styles, click into the bibliography field to show its tab in the upper left corner. Then click the three vertical dots button at the far left end of the tab to select the entire bibliography field. If you chose the Insert Bibliography command instead, then click and drag over it to select the entire bibliography. After performing either task, then click the Cut button that appears in the Clipboard button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Doing this will cut the bibliography from the document and remove the entire field. Alternatively, you can press the Del or Delete keys on your keyboard to delete it. However, if you do this for a bibliography field inserted from one of the preset bibliography styles, it will remove its contents but leave the field. You can then click the Bibliography button in the Fields tab to select a different built-in bibliography style to apply to the field from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also click the Update Citations and Bibliography button in the Fields tab to update its contents if needed. To update the regular bibliography field inserted by the Insert Bibliography command, right-click the bibliography field and select the Update Field command from the pop-up menu that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.